Find the sum of the first 5 terms of the series 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 8 by 27, etc. The first step in solving this problem is to recognize the rule by which the terms can be predicted. The first term is 2 by 3. The second term is 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 or 4 by 9. The third term is 2 by 3 multiplied 3 times by itself, and that is equal to 8 by 27. So the fourth term will be 2 by 3 multiplied 4 times by itself, and that is 16 by 81. And similarly, the fifth term will be 2 by 3 multiplied by 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 2 by 3, that is 5 times multiplication, is 32 by 243. So the sum of the first terms is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus 8 by 27 plus 16 by 31 plus 32 by 243, and that is 162 plus 108 plus 72 plus 48 plus 32 divided by 243, because 243 is the lowest common multiplier. So that when you add up the numerator, it becomes 422. So the answer is 422 by 243. Since we are asked to sum only 5 terms, we could use the direct addition method for the terms. However, if we are asked to find out a large number of terms, that is, the sum of the first 15 terms or even the first 10 terms, direct addition will be tedious and time consuming. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It is completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. So, a better method would be to recognize the series as a geometric progression with the first term a0 is equal to 2 by 3 and the common ratio r is also 2 by 3. Then the sum of the first n terms, that is Sn, is from the geometric progression formula. Sn is equal to a0 multiplied by 1 by r to the power of n whole divided by 1 by r. And in this case, we have to sum of first 5 terms, that is n is equal to 5. So we have to find out S5, and that is A0, that is 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 minus 2 by 3 to the power of 5 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. And that is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 minus 23 by 243 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3, and that is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by 243 minus 32 divided by 243 multiplied by 3, and that is equal to 2 multiplied by 211 divided by 243, and that comes to 422 divided by 243. This is the same result we obtained last time also. So that is the answer. Thank you.